presents the Bentley SUV truck replica with a new Audi Q7 V12 engine for $24,000. This perfect Bentley SUV truck replica comes with a Servotronic speed-sensitive steering, 8-speed Triptronic automatic transmission, electronic differential lock, adaptive air suspension, front and rear vented disc brakes, anti-theft alarm, heated windshield nozzles, power tailgate, leather seats, iPod, Bluetooth, and Sirius radio connectivity, parking system with camera, auto dimming, power adjustable and power folding heated exterior mirrors with integrated LED turn signals, Xenon Plus headlights with automatic self-leveling and integrated LED daytime running lights, panorama sunroof, driver memory, multimedia interface system including navigation, voice control system, and an 8-color driver information display. Dual front side and side curtain airbags are fitted as standard, as are traction and stability control systems. Regardless of engine choice, the behemoths are limited to 130 miles per hour top speeds. ABS and EBD enhanced 4-wheel ventilated disc brakes are also standard, though the prestigious trim comes standard with upgraded brakes for maximum stopping power. Makes replicas for all those who cannot afford original supercar worth over $500,000. More people each day find it makes more sense buying a replica of the supercars that only increase in value than to purchase a common car that has lost its value the moment it is driven out of the dealership. Presents the Bentley SUV truck replica with a new Audi Q7 V12 engine for $24,000.